If you can type, you can learn AI. I'm going to be honest with you. You don't need to know 20 AI tools. You don't need to watch hours of YouTube videos. And you definitely don't need a college degree in order to be masterful at using generative AI. What you do need is one course that is easy to understand and will actually make sense to you. A lot of people are lost when it comes to using AI because they have the wrong perception of what AI actually is. Some people think that AI can do everything when in actuality it can't. Some people think that AI, you can go in and type in a prompt and it's going to give you exactly what you're looking for. Sometimes that's true, sometimes it isn't. Then you get some people who hear things like machine learning, neural networks, and AGI, and they automatically check out because it sounds way too technical. Here's the problem. A lot of AI courses teach you the tool, but they don't teach you the understanding. AI operates a lot differently from a calculator or a computer. And while it's great that you know how to use the tool, it's also important that you understand how the technology functions. And that's why I created AI for Life, the only AI course that you'll ever need to finally understand AI and to use it confidently. This course is built around the ESAI Guidelines. It is short for the Essential Skills for Artificial Intelligence. Now, these are some guidelines or some skills that I put together that I believe are essential for every user of AI to master in order to use the technology effectively. Once in the workshop, you'll learn how to apply the ESAI skills. They include communication, how to talk to AI so that it understands you, creativity and ingenuity, how to make AI work for your ideas, not replace them, capability, knowing what AI can and can't do, strategic thinking, using AI to reach long-term goals, function, knowing how AI actually works so that you avoid mistakes and hype, tools, knowing how to pick tools and using them for your task. By mastering these, you get more than just how to use this one specific tool. You get an AI mindset. And what that does is it gives you the ability to use any AI tool with confidence. After this workshop, you won't be scared or confused of AI, and you most definitely won't be left behind. You'll know exactly what to ask, and how to use AI to make your life more easier, faster, and more productive. And listen, you don't need to be tech savvy. And unlike most jobs, you don't need 5 years of experience for this entry-level course. If you can type, you can learn AI. This is the AI foundation that you will use for the rest of your life. If you're ready to take that one AI course that's going to make everything click, then head over to my website, www.careergateai.com/workshops, and sign up for a course today. And until next time, keep your dreams in sight. Peace.